Today I'm going to demonstrate about the lab 3 exercise. So first we will have the insurance abstract class here. We will have two variables. One is type and another one is monthly cost. And we have two methods like two getters here just to return the type and the monthly cost. And then we will have two abstract methods here. One is set the insurance cost and another one is to display the information. Then we go to the health class, and first we extend the abstract class and we override the set insurance cost method. So we just set it into the monthly cost, and also this one the same, just override the abstract method and to display the information. And here is the constructor. For the live class, this is quite similar with the health, like override the abstract method here, the cost, and display the information, and the constructor here. So for executing this exercise, we first create a way to store 3 insurance. Then we will ask the user to input something. So we'll ask for the is enter the type, which is health or life, and then if the user input 1, then we'll create the insurance as health, and if it's not, then we'll just create it with a life insurance. And then we prompt the user for the monthly fee and set it into that insurance, and then we assign the object into the array. And finally we just display all the information in the insurance array. For the exercise 2, so we first go to the abstract class game tester. We first have 2 variables. The first one is the name, and the second one is whether it is a full-time or not. Then here is the constructor, and we have 2 getters here, and we have 1 abstract method here, which is to calculate the salary. And for this 2 string overriding, we just to show the information in this subclass. And then we will have the full-time game tester. It just extend the abstract class, and first we use super as to use the constructor in game tester, and then we just set the is full-time to true, and we override the abstract method, the calculate salary, because just return the fixed salary, which is 3,000 here. And about the part-time game tester, it is pretty similar with full-time, but we just have one more variable about working hours. And in the constructor we set the is full-time to false and the working hours when here, and then we override the abstract method to return working hours multiple times 20. And for executing, we first create a variable of game tester and a string and input from the user. So we first prompt user for its name and whether it's a full-time game tester. If yes, then we just set it, we create a full-time game tester and put the name in it. And if no, we'll ask ask them to input the hours, then we can calculate the salary for them. So that is the exercise 2. Then we go to exercise 3. We first have the interface of mortgage constants. We have some variables here. First 3 is about the years, like short term, medium, and long term. And then we have the the name of the bank and the maximum mortgage amount. Then we go to this mortgage abstract class. We use improvements to use the interface of mortgage constants. We first have some basic information here and a constructor as to assign the variables into the variables, and first and we will check about the amounts is more than the maximum amounts. If yes, we just set it as the maximum, or else we just set the amounts. And here we just check the term is in like 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year. And then we go to just have a method to calculate the total amount of it, and this method is to display the information. And so we have two mortgage, one is personal and one is business. The difference is just the interest rate. So in business mortgage, we will use the super as to use the constructor of mortgage, and we set the variable into it. And the personal mortgage is the same, it's just the interest rates are different. So, and to execute this exercise, then we create 3 mortgage first and some variables to store the value, and we'll create a scanner to scan the inputs from user. So we first ask for the current interest rate and store into the variable, and we start looping the array of the mortgages. Should be 3 here. So like we first prompt the user for whether it's a business or personal mortgage, and then we will here's just to check whether the user input 1 or 2, just make sure it's either these 2 options. And then if it's a set, then we will keep going to ask for the mortgage name, the mortgage number, the amounts, and the term of the term of the mortgage. So it's like this block is the same, just to check whether it is valid or not. And then we will after that we will create the mortgage to see whether it is a business or personal, and we assign the object into that array. And finally we just display all the information in that mortgages, and yeah, we finally close the scanner here. So that's all for my demonstration for lab 3. Thank you.